viewers, Sharat Kumar here, Economics faculty from Shakthi International School. So in this 1000 steps activity video, today I have come up with another form of marketing structure, that is monopolistic competition. So let's proceed further. Let's try to understand what exactly this monopolistic competition and what are the characteristics and its implications. Yeah. So monopolistic competition, this is quite different from a monopoly. So that we have to understand much better. So in this monopolistic competition market structure, where you could see a large number of buyers and sellers dealing with closely related but differentiated product. So when you're talking about the sellers in the monopolistic competitive market, they are dealing with closely related products, but their brands, packages, advertisement will create a differentiated characteristics among those closely related commodity. Let's try to understand with the help of some examples. If you take a bathing soap, detergent powder, they are all closely related commodities, but in detergent powders, those advertisements, promotion tools, packages, which and all will create a differentiation among the competitors. I hope this made your understanding easier. Let's proceed further. Okay, there are some characteristics we could see in monopolistic competition where there are large number of buyers and sellers, where we could see closely related commodities which has a differentiation. So we could see large number of firms, free entry and exit, some control over price, heavy expenditure on advertisements, product variations, product differentiations. These are some of the characteristics we could see in a monopolistic competitive market. Let's try to understand one by one. The very first one is large number of buyers and sellers. In monopolistic competitive market, you could see large number of sellers. They are firms who deal with differentiated products. Okay, how differentiated? So as I told, they are closely related, but they are differentiated. So that differentiation has been happened through a brand building, which has been done by the firm. Okay, every firm has a monopoly over their brands. Through that brands, so it is giving a power to a firm to decide the price of their commodity. Due to this reason, in this form of market, firm is a price maker. They are not price taker. Okay, so they are large number of firms. Okay, they have a differentiated commodity due to this branding, and they can decide the price for their commodities. Next, product differentiation. Okay, they will sell the differentiated product. The reason is due to this branding, they are giving the capability of differentiation among those products. Selling cost. Yes, in monopolistic competition, you could expect and you could see a huge amount of cost, because to create that differentiation, the firm will spend a lot of money on advertisements and sales promotion. Due to this advertisement and sales promotion only, these firms could able to build a brand image for those commodities. So selling cost will be high. Next, free entry and exit. In monopolistic competition market, so we could see a freedom for the firms to enter and exit the market. Okay, so due to this reason, there is no possibility of abnormal profit. Next, firm is a price maker. As I told you that firm has a monopoly over their brands, so they will fix the price for their commodities. And in this monopolistic competition, the firms do non-price competition. Non-price competition means they never go for price rivalry. They only go with non-price competition. So what kind of non-price competition? They do advertisements. They offer some gifts, offering some discounts, extending some warranty, and providing some credit facilities. These are all the add-on benefits given by the firm for their commodities to make the consumers to feel happier. Okay, these are the non-price competition we could see in a monopolistic competition. So when it comes to a demand curve in monopolistic competition, so when you are comparing the demand curve of monopolistic and monopoly, both are downward sloping from left to right. Okay, when it comes to a nature of elasticity, in monopolistic competition, there will be a highly elastic demand curve, but in monopoly, we could see somewhat different, less elastic. Okay, in monopolistic competition, we could see more elastic nature of demand curve as compared to monopoly. Monopoly will be having a less elastic demand curve. The reason is only this. In monopolistic, we could see some close substitutes. So due to that reason, the demand curve will be elastic in nature. So you could see the diagram. The very first demand curve, what you are seeing, so that is demand curve which happen in a monopoly market, which is less elastic in nature. And the next one is the demand curve which happen in monopolistic competition, which is highly elastic in nature. I hope this video was most informative for you. Let me meet you with another video with an informative concept. Thank you.